is nice though.
That house is also about $1 million.
Yeah.
Yeah, right now.
There's a lot of nice houses down there.
I don't think these people know they could sell their house, move to the Philippines, and never have to work again.
I like that house. Cool. Let's zoom it. That's cool. Cool house.
Just sit it down, nice and level. Where are we at? Not focusing. There we are. And that's the best looking mountain around, if it focuses. Yeah, I think it did. Okie dokie. What else we got?
Yeah.
Okay. And I'm jumping in. Mine. That's not fair. Hold on. Take a picture of this mountain while it still looks cool. No, other way. There you go. Good camera. Zoom out just a little. Can't hear you. Uh-huh.
I'm gonna stand there, like, get the view, the mountain view.
Get the mountain view.
That's a mountain. I'm gonna stand there and.
Oh, what is that building? Oh, that's a crematorium. Right over there. Oh, won't let me take pictures now. That's weird.